Hello and welcome to our Businessverse Madness. In this video, we will be telling the inspiring story of Louis Vuitton, the founder of the luxury fashion brand that bears his name. From a humble beginning, Vuitton rose from homelessness to become one of the most renowned fashion designers of all time. His story is one of determination, hard work, and innovation, and it is a testament to the power of the human spirit. So, without further ado, let us dive into the life and legacy of Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton was born in Enche, a small village in the east of France, in 1821. He was the third child of a family of 6 siblings. His father was a farmer, and his mother was a milliner. Growing up, Vuitton was exposed to the world of fashion at an early age, as he often accompanied his mother to her job at a hat shop in Paris. However, his life took a turn when his mother died when he was only 10 years old. With the family struggling to make ends meet, Vuitton left home at the age of 13 to seek employment in Paris. He took a job as an apprentice to a successful box maker and packer named Monsieur Maréchal. It was here that Vuitton developed his skills in creating boxes and trunks, which would later become his claim to fame in the fashion world. Vuitton worked tirelessly for Maréchal for over 17 years, honing his skills and dreaming of a day when he could open his own shop. In 1854, he finally achieved his dream and opened his own shop in Paris. It was here that he created his first trunk, which was an instant success due to its innovative design and quality craftsmanship. This marked the beginning of the Louis Vuitton brand. Vuitton's success was not only due to his skills as a craftsman, but also due to his innovative designs. He was one of the first designers to create a flat-topped trunk, which was more practical for stacking than the traditional dome-top trunks of the time. He also introduced a new lock system that was more secure than any other lock on the market. As the Louis Vuitton brand grew in popularity, Vuitton continued to innovate and expand. He introduced new designs, such as the iconic LV monogram, which is still a signature of the brand today. He also expanded the brand's product line to include handbags, wallets, and other leather goods. Despite the brand's success, Vuitton remained humble and dedicated to his craft. He continued to work in his shop every day until his death in 1892, at the age of 70. However, his legacy lived on, as the Louis Vuitton brand continued to thrive and expand under the leadership of his son, Georges Vuitton. Louis Vuitton's impact on the fashion world cannot be overstated. His innovative designs and quality craftsmanship set a new standard for luxury fashion and inspired countless designers who came after him. The Louis Vuitton brand remains one of the most prestigious and recognizable fashion brands in the world, with a product line that includes everything from high-end clothing to luxury watches and jewelry. However, Vuitton's legacy extends beyond the world of fashion. His story is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and determination. Despite facing numerous obstacles, including poverty and the loss of his mother at a young age, Vuitton never gave up on his dreams. He worked tirelessly to achieve his goals and create a brand that would stand the test of time. Furthermore, Vuitton's commitment to quality craftsmanship and innovation is a lesson for all of us. In a world where fast fashion dominates, Vuitton's dedication to creating high-quality products that are built to last is a reminder that quality is always worth the investment. In conclusion, the story of Louis Vuitton is one of the most inspiring in the fashion world. From homelessness to luxury, Vuitton's journey is a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and determination. His legacy lives on in the Louis Vuitton brand, which continues to inspire and innovate to this day. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about one of the greatest fashion designers of all time. Thank you for tuning into our video on the inspiring story of Louis Vuitton. Remember, anything is possible with hard work, dedication, and determination. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and fashion news.